The lookup expression is in the category Other and has varying results for the data type. The purpose of this expression is to get a column value from a specific row in a table or slice. The lookup expression has 4 parameters. The first is the value you want to search for. The next is the data set, the table or slice that you want to look through. Next, the in column, which is the column inside the data set that you want to look through. And finally is the return column. If the find value is matched in the in column, the value of the same row in the return column is returned. This will be the result. Let's look at an example. Here we can see a pretty common example of the lookup expression. We're looking for the current user's email within the user table, and specifically within the user email column. If we find this user in the user email column of the user table, we want to return that same user's user role. This is the same as using an any expression around a select statement. I hope that this was helpful. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out AppSheetTraining.com.